Narrative techniques in So the Path Does Not Die by Pede Hollist. Below are the major narrative techniques used in the novel, numbered, listed, and fully treated. 1. First-person narration. The story is largely told from Finaba's point of view. This technique allows readers to see events through her personal experiences, thoughts, and emotions. Because the narration is subjective, we understand her fears, doubts, and internal struggles more deeply. It creates intimacy between the narrator and the reader and makes her conflict between tradition and modern life more personal and compelling. 2. Flashback. Hollist frequently shifts between past and present events. Through flashbacks, readers learn about Finaba's upbringing, cultural background, and early influences. These memories help explain her present decisions and emotional conflicts. The movement in time adds depth to the plot and prevents the story from being told in a simple, straight-line structure. 3. Symbolism. Symbols play an important role in the novel. The path in the title symbolizes cultural continuity, heritage, and the transmission of tradition from one generation to another. It represents the fear that abandoning customs will cause cultural identity to disappear. Other cultural practices in the novel symbolize both unity and oppression, reinforcing the tension between belonging and freedom. 4. Contrast. The novelist uses contrast to highlight differences between Africa and America, tradition and modernity, and communal life versus individual freedom. These contrasts emphasize the struggles immigrants face when navigating two different cultural worlds. Through this technique, the theme of identity conflict becomes more pronounced. 5. Dialogue. Dialogue is used effectively to reveal character traits and cultural beliefs. Through conversations, generational and ideological differences become clear. Dialogue also makes the story realistic and engaging, as it allows multiple viewpoints to emerge naturally. 6. Descriptive imagery. Hollist uses vivid descriptions to paint clear pictures of settings, ceremonies, and daily life. This imagery helps readers visualize both the African and American environments. It strengthens the emotional impact of the narrative and deepens cultural understanding. In summary, these techniques work together to make So the Path Does Not Die emotionally rich, culturally reflective, and structurally engaging.